card and browse share. Okay, done. Fine guys. Okay, so here go to the server and you took the backup of this Amazon database, right? Amazon database will have its own data file and log file. Okay, agree?
Yes, sir.
Right. So it will have its own data file, means it is going to store in some location. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So here, this is the location of the MDF file. This is the location of the LDF file for original database. This one, you took the backup of this database, right? For original database, this is the original database, and you are going to restore with a different name. Okay, right. Say for example, if you want to restore with a different name, here you can see, right, destination database. You can change the database name from Amazon to Flipkart. This is how you can restore with a different name. Amazon database you are restoring as Flipkart, and you can see here files also will be changed automatically. If you see here, I'll tell you, this is the main important thing. See here, Flipkart.mdf. Amazon.mdf is restoring as Flipkart.mdf. Amazon underscore log.ldf is restoring as Flipkart underscore log.ldf. Can you see guys here?
Yes, sir.
As there is no Flipkart.mdf, Flipkart underscore log.ldf in this path, happily you can restore it. No need to choose overwrite. Okay. If you are restoring with the same name, Amazon only, then what happened here also, again it will create Amazon.mdf, Amazon underscore log.ldf. So is it possible to create file names in the same location with the same file names in the same location? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If you use Amazon, again here also you will get Amazon.mdf, Amazon underscore log.ldf. But in that location already the previous database Amazon.mdf, Amazon underscore log.ldf files are there, so it won't restore. So what we have to do, in case if you are restoring with same name, you have to choose this option, overwrite the existing database. If you are restoring with a different name, if there is no such name, you can ignore this option. But if Flipkart is already there, again you are restoring, then you have to use overwrite. Okay, here you can see recovery state. See here, restore with recovery, restore with no recovery, restore with standby. Guys, what is meant by standby? Standby means, okay, the same like you're with no recovery. In the no recovery, you cannot read the data. If your database is in no recovery mode, you cannot read the data. If your database is restored with the standby mode, you can only read the data. You cannot insert the data. Read-only operations will be possible in the standby mode state. But you can restore the backups. Alternative backups, if any alternative or simultaneous backups are there, you can restore it. It will behave like how your no recovery will work. In the same way, your standby also will work, guys. The difference between no recovery and standby is no recovery, you cannot read the data from the database. Standby mode, you can only read the data from the database. You cannot write, you cannot insert any data. Okay, so I'll tell you how to restore with recovery with no recovery. Now on Monday, you have to restore one database with standby state. Simply everything is same. Here you will choose with standby. That's it. Finally, you will choose with standby. That's it. Okay, so let me restore with no recovery. As I have full differential log backup, so I am restoring with no recovery. This is my full backup, so I am restoring my full backup with no recovery. Agree or not? Agree, guys?
Sir.
Any issues, any doubts?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay, so no need to choose any tail log backup. By default, it will be selected. So uncheck this tail log backup and you can click OK. Then the database. Here you can see the state, guys. How much percentage is completed? Here you can see. Backup, here you can see how much percentage is completed. Restore, here you can see how much percentage is completed. If you click OK, now see here, guys, the database, Flipkart database, showing restoring, right? If you expand this database, you will get the error. You cannot read the databases if the databases are in restoring state. You cannot open the databases first of all. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's restore differential backup. Again, same process. Simply you have to change the backup file from full to differential. That's it. Tasks, restore database. Okay, and device, browse, add. Where is this Amazon diff today's backup 19/11/2021. Okay, okay. Now guys, files and all no need to select. Why? Because while restoring full backup itself, you just choose all these things. Now you are restoring the differential backup, right? Now no need to select any files. Simply now tell me, with recovery or with no recovery?
With no recovery.
With no recovery.
With no recovery. Why? Because I
recovery.
have one log backup to restore. So I have to use with no recovery, and let me click OK. Done. Okay, differential backup is successfully restored. Now log backup, guys. See here, still the database is in restoring state only. Okay, you cannot read the database. See here, if the database is in restoring state, you cannot read it. Right now, final log backup. We have only one log backup right now. Again, tasks, restore, database, device. Select your log backup, browse, add. Where is your log backup? Amazon log backup. This is 18th, this is 19th. Okay, select this one, double click on it. Amazon log backup 19/11/2021. Click OK. Now guys, tell me, files no need to change anything. Options, tell me guys, with recovery or with no recovery?
With recovery, sir.
Recovery only, sir.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The log only.
Okay, so let me click OK. Now it was successfully completed. Once you used with recovery, see here, database came online. But before itself, while restoring full backup itself, if you use with full recovery, what is the problem?
We cannot restore different log
Very
backups.
good. Again, now at this stage, once the database is online, now you cannot restore, okay, any other backups, guys. Now you can see here, all the database, you can expand the database, you can see the tables and all, as the database came to online. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
If you have further backups, use with no recovery. If you don't have any further backups, that is the only one backup, use with recovery. Don't think for full backups will use with recovery, for log backups will use no recovery. The same process, every backup, same process. If you have further backups, use with recovery, use with no recovery. If you don't have further backups, that is the only backup you have, final backup, use your with the recovery option, so that the database will comes to online. Okay, guys, any issues, any doubts? That's it, guys.
No, sir.
Restoring, that's it. Okay, in the next class, while migrating the server, I'll show you how to restore a database from one server to another server. That is also not a big deal, same process. The thing is, you have to copy the backup file from one server to another server. That's it. As I have my backup files in this server, I can easily get the backup files. If you are restoring database in another server, you have to copy the backup files from this server to that server. Then you have to follow the same process. Small change will be there. That's it. Clear, guys? Any issues, any doubts in the restoring? And
No,
the
sir.
next assignment, Monday assignment, is what are the recovery models of system databases? First assignment. Second assignment is take full differential log backup and restore the databases with no recovery. Okay. And restore the database backups with recovery and restore the database backups with standby state. That is the assignment for Monday. Might be from next week onwards, I'll add Saturday also. Okay, right, I'll add Saturday also from next week onwards. Next week Saturday. Okay, next week Saturday is not possible. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so not next week, then 4th onwards, December 4th onwards, we are going to add Saturdays also. One Saturday we'll add it. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And the videos are already uploaded, scheduled uploaded. So you will get your videos. Okay, today every 1 hour the video will be uploaded automatically. It was scheduled. Okay. So nothing to worry. By end of the day, all the videos will be uploaded. Only today's videos are pending. Okay. Already it was uploaded, but those videos are scheduled. So every hour one video will be uploaded automatically. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Second assignment means restore your databases with no recovery. First is restore 3 backups with recovery. Restore 3 backups with no. 3 backups means don't think all 3 backups with recovery. Okay. First is restore with no recovery. Imagine you have 3 backups and it's full differential log backup. First assignment is restore with no recovery full backup with no recovery differential backup with recovery log backup. Second assignment is restore all the backups with no recovery only. Okay. And third assignment is restore full with no recovery, restore differential with no recovery, restore log backup with the standby state. Okay. Final backup with standby. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So until you are clear, at least restore one full backup first. Once you get confidence, then you can go for one differential backup. Then finally you can go for one log backup. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, I'll just 1 minute. I'll show you in case if I want to restore all the backups at a time. See here, right click, restore database, device, browse, add, select all backups at a time. This is my full backup. This is my differential backup. This is my log backup, right? The same set, guys. Don't think different sets will work. No, the same set only will work. You cannot restore your yesterday's log backup with today's full backup. Yesterday also we have log backup, full backups and all. Again, you cannot restore today's log backup with yesterday's full backup. Once full backup set is generated, that is a separate set. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Don't think yesterday full backup, so I'm going to add today's log backup. No, it won't accept. Already today's full backup is generated, so it won't take that as a set. And again, don't think today full backup is there, I'll restore yesterday log backup. No, again, it won't work. Okay. From full backup, the whole set will be there. Again, once the full backup is generated, a fresh set will be generated. You cannot mix the sets. Okay. Right. Select all the database backups. Click OK. Click OK again. And you can see the files now. Here you can see a full differential and log backup. And go to files. Files, no need to change anything. 1 minute, guys. Srinivas Reddy. 1 minute, guys. Hello? Hello? Right? No need to change anything in the file space and go to options. Now, guys, tell me, I'm restoring all backups at a time. Which option I have to use? With recovery, with no recovery?
With no recovery only, sir.
With no recovery only.
Yes,
With
or at the
With recovery or with no recovery? I'm restoring all the databases at a time. Okay. Amazon, I'm going to restore with Azure. Okay. Azure database. Right. Files. Make sure Azure is there or not in the file space. Expand the window. Just drag it. Okay. Azure.mdf, Azure_log.ldf. Now tell me, guys. Tell me quickly. I have to use with recovery or with no recovery?
with recovery, sir.
Only
With
shortcut,
no recovery, sir.
guys, only shortcut is if you have further backups with no recovery. If you don't have further backups with recovery. Now tell me, any further backups are there to restore?
No, sir, with recovery.
no, sir.
I'm selecting all the backups at a time, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now there are no further backups to restore. Finally, you can click OK. That's it with recovery. Done 3 times it, you can see 100% is here. One full 100%, one differential 100%, one log 100%. Click OK. See here, Azure database, and you can expand the Azure database. Only shortcut if you have further backups with no recovery. If you have only those are the final backups, there are no further backups, you can use with recovery. Clear, guys? Right?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way,
Sir,
restore. Yeah, tell me.
sir, we can choose with no recovery, then we can use query also,
That is
sir.
also possible. You can choose with no recovery and finally you can run the query. I told you, write one query, restore
Yes, sir.
database,
Sir.
database name with recovery, you can run that query. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. We'll meet on Monday. Okay. Right. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.